Looking for a microwave oven that's powerful, compact, and packed with features? Whether you're a student, a busy parent, or someone who just loves convenience in the kitchen, we've got something for you. In this video, we're counting down the top 5 best countertop microwave ovens available right now. Starting off our list at number 5, we have the GE EM131 countertop microwave oven. The GE EM131 countertop microwave oven is a compact yet highly versatile kitchen appliance designed to meet modern cooking demands. Despite its modest 1 cubic foot size, it delivers an impressive 1050 watts of power, making it capable of handling everything from reheating leftovers to preparing full meals. Its sleek design is ideal for small kitchens, apartments, or dorm rooms where space is at a premium. What sets this microwave apart is its array of advanced cooking modes. The air fry function allows users to prepare healthier, crispier dishes without the need for excessive oil, while the convection mode ensures thorough and even heat distribution perfect for baking and roasting. For those who enjoy a perfectly seared finish or caramelized topping, the broil mode offers results similar to a traditional broiler or grill. Convenience is at the core of the GE EM131's design. The unit includes preset controls for popular foods like fries and chicken nuggets, streamlining the cooking process and providing consistent outcomes with minimal effort. This makes it especially appealing for busy households or those new to cooking. Additionally, the built-in glass turntable plays a crucial role in ensuring food is cooked evenly throughout the cycle. As it rotates, it helps eliminate cold spots and promotes uniform heating. With its ability to air fry, broil, and use convection, this microwave consolidates multiple cooking tools into one efficient unit. It's not only a space saver but also a valuable addition to any kitchen looking for performance and flexibility in a single appliance. Coming in at number 4, the Panasonic SN686S countertop microwave oven. The Panasonic SN686S countertop microwave oven combines power, innovation, and convenience in a compact design ideal for modern kitchens. With 1200 watts of cooking power and a spacious 1.2 cubic foot interior, it accommodates everything from quick snacks to family-sized meals. Its 13.4-inch turntable ensures even heating, making it a reliable companion for a wide range of cooking tasks. At the heart of the SN686S is Panasonic's patented inverter technology, which delivers a continuous stream of power for more precise cooking. This results in food that is evenly heated, flavorful, and cooked to perfection. Complementing this is the turbo defrost function, which significantly reduces defrosting time while maintaining food texture and taste. Despite its generous interior, the microwave is designed with a sleek, space-saving form factor that fits well on any countertop. Its lightweight construction makes it easy to reposition or relocate as needed, a thoughtful touch for smaller kitchens or multipurpose spaces. Equipped with smart cooking features, the SN686S includes a genius sensor that automatically adjusts cooking time and power based on the food's moisture levels. With 14 preset menu options, a quick minute timer, and delay start, it brings flexibility and simplicity to everyday meal preparation. The keep warm function is another useful feature, maintaining the temperature of dishes like soups or desserts until you're ready to serve. Designed with user convenience in mind, the microwave features an intuitive membrane keypad, 5 quick access menu buttons, a push-button door release, and a child safety lock for added peace of mind. Altogether, the Panasonic SN686S offers a powerful blend of smart technology, efficient design, and everyday practicality. At number 3, we have the Farberware FMWO11 countertop microwave oven. The Farberware FMWO11 countertop microwave oven delivers a reliable and efficient cooking experience in a sleek, space-saving design. With 1000 watts of output power, it ensures fast and even heating, whether you're warming up leftovers, cooking frozen dinners, or whipping up a quick snack. Thanks to 10 adjustable power levels, users can fine-tune their cooking for both delicate items and hearty meals, while the multi-stage cooking function supports more complex recipes that require varied power levels throughout the process. Equipped with 6 one-touch presets, this microwave simplifies meal preparation. With just a press of a button, you can cook staples like popcorn, pizza, or potatoes without manually setting the time or power level. For added speed, the express cooking feature lets you start the microwave for up to 6 minutes instantly, and the handy Add 30 seconds button makes it easy to extend cooking time without interruption. Despite its compact 1.1 cubic foot size, the microwave is spacious enough to accommodate standard dinnerware, making it a practical choice for kitchens with limited counter space such as dorms, apartments, or office break rooms. A bright LED display provides clear visibility of the timer and clock, enhancing usability, while the built-in child safety lock adds peace of mind for families with young children. Designed for daily use, the microwave's interior and exterior surfaces are easy to clean, allowing users to maintain a neat and hygienic appliance with minimal effort. The Farberware FMWO11 blends power, functionality, and convenience, offering a well-rounded solution for anyone seeking a dependable countertop microwave. Next up at number 2 is the Black Decker EM720 Countertop Microwave Oven. The Black Plus Decker EM720 Countertop Microwave Oven is designed to combine convenience, functionality, and compact design, making it an ideal appliance for everyday use in smaller kitchens, offices, or dorm rooms. Measuring just 17.3 x 13.0 x 10.2, it fits comfortably on limited counter space while still providing ample interior room for common meals and snacks. One of the most convenient features of the EM720 is its pre-programmed buttons for popular food items such as popcorn, potatoes, pizza, frozen vegetables, beverages, and dinner plates. These one-touch options simplify meal prep by removing the guesswork from cooking times and power levels, streamlining the process for busy users. Despite its compact build and 700-watt output, the microwave offers 10 power settings, allowing users to fine-tune their cooking experience. This flexibility is useful for a variety of tasks, from gently defrosting frozen items to thoroughly reheating leftovers or cooking simple meals. The 30-second express cooking function offers a quick way to heat up food without navigating through multiple settings. Additionally, the built-in kitchen timer and clock add a layer of practicality, helping users manage their overall cooking time beyond just microwave use. Ease of use is another highlight of the EM720. It features a clear LED digital display and an intuitive control panel that even first-time users will find approachable. A push-button door release and a removable 10-inch glass turntable further enhance usability and make cleanup easy. Safety is also considered with a built-in child lock feature, ensuring that young children cannot accidentally operate the microwave. With its thoughtful features and space-saving design, the Black Plus Decker EM720 offers a reliable and user-friendly solution for quick cooking and reheating tasks. Finally, at number 1, we have the Toshiba EM131 Countertop Microwave Oven. The Toshiba EM131A5CBS Countertop Microwave Oven is a thoughtfully designed appliance that combines modern technology with practical features for everyday cooking. Equipped with a pre-programmed sensor menu, it intelligently adjusts cooking time and power levels based on the food's moisture content, ensuring consistent and even results. This makes it particularly effective for heating popular items like pizza, potatoes, and vegetables without requiring manual input. With a high power output of 1100 watts, the microwave handles tasks such as reheating, defrosting, and cooking with speed and efficiency. Its interior capacity of 1.2 cubic feet, along with a 12.4-inch turntable, provides enough space to accommodate a 12-inch pizza or larger dishes, ideal for family meals or busy kitchens. The control panel is designed for ease of use, featuring a large digital display and one-touch buttons for common functions. Users can choose from 10 different power levels for more precise control and make use of presets for quick, hassle-free operation. The defrost function offers flexibility by allowing users to thaw items by time or weight. Additional conveniences include a mute function for silent operation, which can be activated by holding the 8 button for a few seconds. This is particularly useful in quiet households or shared living spaces. The keypad also arrives protected by a peelable film, keeping it clean during shipping and setup. Aesthetically, the Toshiba EM131A5 features a sleek black exterior that complements a wide range of kitchen styles. Its compact footprint doesn't overwhelm the countertop, yet it offers generous interior space, striking a balance between form and function that suits modern kitchens.